AI is rewriting the rules of war. These next-gen drones, smart missiles, and defense systems are more powerful than anything you've ever seen. Which of these technologies shocked you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. Spike ATGM Family. The Spike ATGM family is a nightmare for armored forces. These smart missiles don't just hit targets, they hunt them down with precision. Whether launched from the ground, vehicles, or helicopters, Spike can strike tanks, bunkers, and even low-flying aircraft. With top attack capability, it hits where armor is weakest. Add AI-assisted targeting and networked coordination, and suddenly, one missile team can wipe out an entire armored column. This isn't firepower, it's surgical destruction. VBAT, denied battlefields. The VBAT is not your typical drone. This thing operates where everything else fails. In GPS-jammed, communication-denied battlefields, it still flies, tracks, and strikes with deadly precision. No runway? No problem. It launches vertically from ships or remote bases and stays in the air for hours. Powered by advanced AI, it can identify targets and even carry out strike missions on its own. This isn't just surveillance, this is autonomous warfare on another level. Bullfrog Weapon Station. The Bullfrog Weapon Station turns ordinary machine guns into AI-powered killing machines. Designed to counter drones and low-flying threats, it can detect, track, and engage targets automatically. No radar needed. Using advanced computer vision, it stays completely stealthy while locking onto threats in seconds. Mounted on vehicles, ships, or bases, it upgrades existing weapons into smart defense systems. This isn't just automation, it's autonomous protection at its most lethal level. Sky Spotter. Sky Spotter doesn't just watch the skies, it does it without ever being detected. Unlike traditional radar, it stays completely silent, using advanced sensors to track drones, aircraft, and even incoming missiles from miles away. No signals, no warnings, just pure stealth surveillance. Powered by AI, it can monitor multiple threats at once and deliver a real-time 360-degree battlefield view. In modern warfare, seeing without being seen isn't an advantage. It's domination. (120) Loitering Munition. The hero, 120. Loitering munition is like a drone that turns into a missile at the perfect moment. It can stay in the air for up to an hour, silently circling the battlefield while locking onto high-value targets. Once confirmed, it dives in with deadly precision. What makes it terrifying? Operators can abort, retarget, or strike anytime. This isn't just a weapon, it's a patient hunter waiting for the perfect kill. Shahed Interceptor. Imagine turning a small DIY drone into a flying missile hunter. Ukrainian Wild Hornets units reportedly created a shocking low-cost solution to stop Iranian-made Shahed 136 and Shahed 131 suicide drones. They modify fast attack drones, arm them with explosives, and send them straight at the incoming threat. The Interceptor races toward the Shahed and detonates or slams into it mid-air, destroying the drone before it reaches its target. It's a brutally simple but incredibly effective tactic that helps save expensive air defense missiles. Aselsan Air Missile Defense System. Turkey's Aselsan Air and Missile Defense System is built to crush the low-flying threats dominating modern warfare. Mounted on a high-mobility 8x8 truck, it combines a rapid-fire 35mm autocannon with programmable airburst ammunition, multiple surface-to-air missiles, and advanced sensors in one deadly package. Its 360-degree radar and electro-optical suite can detect and track several targets at once: drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and smart munitions. Even more impressive, the system can operate fully autonomously, turning it into a fast-reacting shield for troops and critical assets. Pulsar. Meet Pulsar, an AI-driven electromagnetic warfare system built to dominate the invisible battlefield. Developed to control the radio spectrum, Pulsar can rapidly detect, identify, and jam enemy drones, communications, and hostile jammers before they become a threat. The system comes in multiple versions, from tripod units to vehicle and airborne pods, all connected through a shared AI brain. Even more shocking, these systems can learn from each other and deploy new countermeasures within hours, giving modern forces a powerful edge in electronic warfare and counter-drone operations. Mars 2 MMA. Mars 2 MMA isn't just a surveillance aircraft, it's a flying intelligence powerhouse. Packed with next-gen AESA radar, infrared sensors, and electronic surveillance systems, it can track targets across land and sea in real time. Even in harsh weather or contested zones, it builds a crystal-clear battlefield picture using AI. Commanders don't just get data, they get instant decisions. This thing doesn't just watch the war, it controls how it's fought. XBAT. XBAT isn't just a drone. It's a full-on AI fighter jet with no pilot on board. This stealthy, loyal wingman can take off vertically from almost anywhere and fly over 2,000 miles into hostile territory. It handles air-to-air combat, strike missions, and electronic warfare, all without risking a human life. Powered by advanced autonomy, it can make split-second decisions in combat. This isn't the future of air power. It's already here. YFQ-44A. The YFQ-44 Taksu. Fury is what happens when AI meets fighter jet performance. This unmanned combat drone can pull up to 9G maneuvers, fly near supersonic speeds, and operate at extreme altitudes, all without a pilot. Designed to fly alongside jets like the F-35 and F-22, it acts as a loyal wingman, expanding firepower without risking lives. Armed with advanced missiles, this isn't support. It's a force multiplier that could redefine air combat. Khrizantema-S. Meet the Khrizantema-S, a terrifying tank killer built to dominate the modern battlefield. Mounted on a heavily armored BMP-3 chassis, this system fires powerful 9M123 tandem warhead missiles capable of smashing through even the toughest armored vehicles. What makes it truly shocking is its dual guidance system, millimeter wave radar, and laser beam riding, allowing it to strike targets accurately even through smoke, dust, or darkness. With an automatic loader and rapid-fire capability, it can engage multiple tanks from over 6 kilometers away, turning enemy armor into easy targets. Embraer P600 AEW. The Embraer P600 AEW is a next-generation airborne command center that turns the sky into a surveillance powerhouse. Built on the sleek Praetor 600 jet, it packs a cutting-edge AESA radar, electronic support systems, and secure communications to track threats far beyond ground radar coverage. From air defense and early warning to maritime surveillance and command control, it gives commanders a real-time battlefield picture from thousands of feet above. Powerful, flexible, and surprisingly cost-effective, the P600 proves that big military capability can come in a smaller, smarter jet platform. The Lamprey UAV. Beneath the ocean's surface, the Lamprey UAV is quietly changing the future of underwater missions. This next-generation autonomous underwater vehicle can operate for long durations without surfacing, using advanced AI navigation to handle complex tasks deep below the waves. Its modular design allows it to carry sensors like sonar, cameras, and scientific instruments for missions such as seabed mapping, mine detection, and covert surveillance. Even more impressive, multiple Lamprey units can network together and share data in real time, creating a smart underwater team. Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile. The Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, LRASM, is a nightmare for enemy warships. Based on the powerful ATGM-158 platform, this stealthy cruise missile can strike targets hundreds of kilometers away while flying low with a tiny radar signature. What's truly shocking is its AI-assisted targeting system. It can hunt, identify, and choose the right ship even in heavily jammed, GPS-denied environments. Launched from aircraft like the B-1B, F/A-18, F-35, and P-8, LRASM turns long-distance naval strikes into a devastating precision attack. Vapor CLE. The Vapor CLE is like a compact helicopter drone that punches way above its weight. Built for modern battlefields, this electric UAV can stay in the air for up to 2 hours, nearly double the endurance of many quadcopters. It can carry advanced sensors, communication relays, electronic warfare gear, and even precision munitions. Even more impressive, it deploys in about 2 minutes and uses AI-assisted targeting to detect threats in real time, giving frontline units a powerful eyes-in-the-sky advantage. If you enjoyed these next-level military technologies, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing defense innovations. And tell us in the comments, which technology shocked you the most?